we are trying to repair the cabin, so join us. Some improvements. I added this one, so it's kind of protected. There's lots of there was much traffic, so just got here. Anyway, let's go to the cabin. So there it is. We are working on the roof, so could at least sleep over. Will help us during harvest. Pili tree right beside it. Then we're gonna work on the roof and also perhaps the windows and the door. So those are the supplies. Anyway, so just gonna be updating ourselves as to the repairs, perhaps in later episodes, part of our farm life content. Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with the sword. Thanks for watching.